Hi, I'm Yuxi Gu, and I'm going to introduce my Assessment 3 emergency response design solution. The earthquake hazard analysis based on the Tangshan earthquake research shows that there were many threats to inhabitants. As can be seen from the global earthquake disaster, the damage can be earthquake disaster to human beings. Therefore, it is necessary to take some protection measures against earthquakes. Earthquake can cause many casualties. Hurt injured is most deadly injured in the earthquake, so the heart is the primary body part to be protected from the impact of falling objects and the head. According to my design background, my design proposal is to design a household rescue head curb, which can effectively protect the head and slowly down the injury caused by falling objects hitting the head. When the earthquake disaster happens, the car can be taken out at home and play a role of self-rescue and protection when evaluating the home. My design is to consider ergonomics from the perspective of the materials and shape. My design is divided into two iterations. First, soft materials such as cloth and sponge are used to make heads. Soft head iterations considering the webbing problem of the first design needed to be solved. Hard material payment protect hard head and make of the plastic outside and sponge inside. I prefer to payment design for this design. Iteration 2 is to strengthen the iteration of the coverage of the two emergency curbs so that the curb protects the head from more angles. From the hard material payments, it can be imagined that it's too difficult to wear. Soft hard and will occupy more space in storage, which is not convenient. Therefore, I choose the design of soft, hard, and final product output. Finally, I choose this design which has good coverage ability, large protection area, and is portable and foldable. Folding in half is the shape of the thin keyboard. I also add a port belt to the design for easy access. Color text for design protects. I choose orange to render my design. Orange represents rescue first aid meaning, and bright in the way of disaster is also easy to find. I made a 3D model to see my human design more clearly. The 3D model can see all the angles of my design. The choice of material is inspired by boxing equipment, which can be subjected to huge internal impact when boxing. And boxing gloves and helmets can protect hands and head well, which also apply to the original intention of my product design material. So I studied the material of boxing products. I choose the material requirement section, internal material polyurethane foam. It has excellent flexibility, elongation, and compressing stress, good chemical stability, resistant to many solvents and oil, excellent wear resist, and is all good performance of the buff material. Exterior material, PU fabrics, good physical properties, being resistance and good softness, tensile strength with the air permeability. According to the research data of the material, it can be seen the PU form is extremely resistant to pressure up to 2000. The resiliency of the test sample as measured by the ball rebound reached up to 60% rebound. Finally, I made the finished helmet. Here are the pictures of the final helmet and the display after wearing it. It can be seen that the design can indeed cover the head in all directions and provide a safer protection measure for the survivor in the earthquake. Considering the abruptness of the earthquake, I made a suggestion in the end. The human should be placed in the bathroom doorway and corner to facilitate the earthquake so as to quickly get the human for self-protection. This is reference page. Thank you for your listening. That's all.